Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Psychology A-Level. First, thoroughly understand your exam board's specific syllabus requirements to know exactly what content will be assessed. Next, develop a consistent study schedule, dedicating specific times each week to psychology. Finally, engage actively with your course material, moving beyond passive reading to truly grasp complex concepts and theories. This foundational approach sets you up for success. To maximize retention, embrace active learning techniques. Instead of just rereading, use active recall methods such as creating flashcards for key terms or blurting out everything you remember about a topic. Combine this with spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals over several days or weeks. This powerful combination significantly strengthens your long-term memory and understanding of complex psychological ideas. Essay writing is crucial for A-level psychology. Structure your essays clearly with an introduction, several well-developed body paragraphs, and a concise conclusion. Each body paragraph should integrate psychological theories and research evidence precisely, using specific studies to support your points. Crucially, critically evaluate these studies and theories, discussing their strengths and limitations to achieve the highest analytical marks. As exams approach, practice past examination papers under timed conditions to refine your time management and question-answering skills. Familiarize yourself thoroughly with common question types and the specific requirements of the mark schemes. Remember, maintaining your well-being is paramount. Prioritize adequate sleep, healthy nutrition, and regular breaks to prevent burnout and ensure you perform your best on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.